Frustrated because Chrome just won't save your passwords anymore? You're not alone. It's a super common issue, and today, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process to get Chrome back on track. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fix Chrome not saving passwords and have those helpful autofill prompts working smoothly again. Let's dive right in. So first things first, open up your Google Chrome browser. If you've got a bunch of tabs open from earlier, don't worry, these steps won't mess with anything you're working on. Go ahead and make Chrome the active window. Now, look up at the top right corner of Chrome. You'll see 3 little dots stacked on top of each other. This is Chrome's main menu, kind of like a Swiss Army knife where all the settings are tucked away. Give those 3 dots a click. A menu will drop down. From here, look for the option that says Passwords and Autofill. Sometimes you might see it called just Autofill or Passwords, depending on your Chrome version, but it's usually pretty easy to spot since it has a little key icon next to it. Click that to continue. Next, you'll see a section labeled Google Password Manager. This is basically Chrome's vault for storing your saved passwords safely, so you don't have to type them in every time you want to log into a site. Click into Google Password Manager, and you'll be brought to a new panel that shows all your saved credentials. Maybe none if Chrome hasn't been saving them lately. Now we need to adjust the settings to make sure Chrome is actually offering to save new passwords for you. Look for the Settings area within the Password Manager. Sometimes it's a little gear icon, sometimes it's just clearly labeled Settings. Open it up, and you should see a toggle or switch for Offer to Save Passwords and Passkeys. This is the magic button we want. Make absolutely sure this setting is switched on. For most users, the toggle should be blue or enabled. If it looks grayed out or disabled, just click it once to turn it on. Why does this matter? Well, when this feature is enabled, Chrome proactively asks if you want to save logins to websites as you type them in. If it's off, Chrome won't prompt you and you'll end up entering passwords over and over, which can be super annoying, especially if you've got those long, secure passwords. So this is really the heart of how Chrome keeps your browsing experience smooth and secure. Once that setting is turned on, go ahead and close Chrome completely. Yep, all the way out. Hit the X in the corner and shut it down. Think of it like giving Chrome a little restart to refresh its settings, just like rebooting a phone after changing a feature. Now reopen Chrome and check if the fix worked. The easiest way is to go to a website where you need to log in, enter your credentials, and see if Chrome now pops up that little box asking if you want to save your password. If you see that prompt, congrats! You're back in business. If it didn't work right away, don't panic. Sometimes it takes a second, or you may need to try logging into a couple of different sites. Just double-check the settings again, and make sure you're signed into your Google account in Chrome. That's it. Hopefully, you're all set, and Chrome is saving passwords just like it should. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button and let me know down in the comments if you have any other browser troubles or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to subscribe so you'll never miss another quick fix or tech tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.